What's up, credit repair business owners and business funding experts? And today's video is a live consult with my boy Tanner and his brand new credit repair business. And pretty much what we're doing is we're giving him the entire setup to scale his credit repair business to 6, 7 figures. And the way we're doing this to start is first we're going to start off with his branding, his offer, because it's always easier to charge a lot more and get less quality clients than to charge less and get a whole bunch of cheap clients. So in order to do so, we're going to be able to charge $3,000, and we're setting up his offer so that people are going to be begging, throwing money at him. All right. And then the next thing that we're going to be doing is through branding, through content distribution, we're going to be showing him how to come off as an expert in his field, how to attract paying clients to him using Instagram and Facebook, and then of course how to really scale that up. And my secret to really scaling that campaign up, to scaling your social media up, to scaling up those ads, I'm showing my secret on here that allowed me to scale Bullseye Credit Group from $0 to $600,000 in under 7 months, guys. So stay tuned to this video. It's gonna be a good one.
So when you're starting out your credit card company, the best way to do it, honestly, is to put out a shit ton of content, with different offers, and then figure out what works. This is Mikhail Bennett over here. He did this all organically. He's probably at 600K. He's gonna hit 1 million this year. What he's doing, what I told him to do, what we've been doing is literally just put out as much content about different topics, whatever works more, and do more of that. And if you have capital to spend, boost the whatever gets the most engagement, whatever brings the most sales, when you're hopping on the calls with people and you're asking people what really brought you in, boost whatever ads that are actually converting. It's kind of simple as that. He didn't use ads, but if you wanted to scale, like Bullseye Credit Group, that did go from 0 to 600,000 reoccurring in under, I think, 7 or 8 months. He did this with content and ads. So what he did is he made a shit ton of content and then boosted to his Instagram Messenger whatever pieces of content really did the best. And then he had his sales team just close the deals for him. His sales teams, I think, would get like around 20%. But then as well too, when I'm talking about this, when you're making content, when you're making these ads, you don't want to make just content for anybody. Excuse me. You don't want to make content just for credit repair. Because you're making content just for credit repair, you are then fighting against a fucking saturated market, against 1,000 other credit repair companies that are also doing the same thing as you, running ads and making content. You really want to laser target on the specific problem that you're solving. People don't come for just credit repair. They come for, hey, I want to go. I'm renting my house right now, and I want to own a house. I need to fix my credit for that shit. Hey, I want to get a mortgage. I want to lower my interest rate on my car payments. Hey, I want to get new fucking teeth or something. Hey, I want to get my fucking titties done. I want to get a loan for my titties or something like that. I can't get apply for that, whatever. But there's always an end goal for credit repair. Whether it's financing or there's mortgages, whatever. Really making content about that will always get you a better result than just, hey, we're going to fix your credit repair. Because if you're making just, hey, we'll fix your credit repair, then you're really competing off of price. Okay. You don't want to be competing off of price because then you can't charge $1,000, $2,000. You know, if you really want to do it right, like for example, you guys want to charge a lot. You guys want to charge, excuse me, Bullseye Credit Group, he was charging anywhere between $3,000 to $5,000. He did that, like I said, that 600K in under 7 months. You know, he was doing that because he's charging 3 to 5K. Let me give you another example. I got another client. His name is Carlos Felix. That guy's charging 5K plus. And I got another guy, regular Joe Schmo over here. He's charging a measly, $100 setup, $200, $100 retainer, or $100 a month. You know, compared to the guy that's charging 3K a month, 5K a month, compared to the person that's charging, $100 a month, $200 setup, who do you think has a Lamborghini parked in their fucking driveway? So 3 to 5K is really where you want to go. So in order to do that, you don't want to be being over pricing. You really want to make sure that the videos that you are making are super, super laser targeted to the exact type of customers that you want to bring in. Instagram is really the AI algorithm in Instagram really targets the keywords that you're using there. So how are you going to make that 3 to 5K per client? It can't just be a regular person. It can't be regular Joe Schmo. Carlos, he specifically focuses with modeling agencies and with DJs. Okay. Um, who's the other guy I was talking about? Bullseye Credit Group. He specifically focuses on e-commerce brands that need money for advertising. All these people already have money in them. They already have money. They're already making money. So target your copy and your videos to those specific demographic that you really want to bring in that actually has the money to be able to spend 3 to 5K for credit repair for you. And that's my biggest piece of alpha right there.
Right. Oh yeah, dude.
Cool.